Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. I'm just going to take you through the setup of Ryla for WordPress. So what we've got here is just a fresh WordPress installation. I'm working locally and there's no content, we've just got a default theme. And what we're going to do is install the theme and get things set up so everything's just like the demo. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to want to install the theme, so we will head to our dashboard. And in there we will go to the theme area under Appearance and Themes, and add new and upload. And here you want to navigate to the package you downloaded from Theme Forest. There you will see the actual theme zip itself. Just give me a second. Okay, so we'll install the theme just like you would any other. Perfect, so that's installed. We'll activate it. And before we go any further, let's just refresh the site and have a quick look. Okay, so we can see there the design is completely changed, but at the moment that's pretty much all there is. We're going to install a few plugins and demo data and get things going. So back in the admin area, you'll see there's a notice here asking you to install some plugins. A few of them are required, so before we go any further we need to install at least 3 of them, which will be the framework for the post types, Visual Composer and WP-Less, which is what handles the CSS for the theme. And we've got a couple of recommended plugins, Contact Form 7 for all the forms, and Revolution Slider because, well, it's the slider plugin of choice. We want all of these, so I'm going to hit the link here, begin installing plugins. We don't need to do it individually, we can just tick this box here to select all of them, and from this drop down we'll choose install. And what will happen, the script we use will actually go through and install each plugin for you one by one and activate it. You will get feedback, as you can see, as it's going through. It lets you know it's done. Depending on the speed of your connection, this can take a few moments, so just sit tight and bear with while it goes through. I'll leave the recording go just so you can get an idea of what should happen. Nearly done. I am still here, the video hasn't stopped playing. There we go. So you can see it's installed them all. Oh, looks like my setup has a few translations to add. We'll just let it do its thing. Well, for some of you may notice this is something new to the WordPress ecosystem. They do offer some centralized translations for certain plugins and themes, so it's just updating these for us as well. You may or may not see this extra stuff here depending on your current setup. The key part is up here where it's activated these. Looks like the default themes for WordPress have had quite a few updates. There you go. As we can see, we've got a notification here. All these plugins have been installed and activated. Let's refresh the dashboard. And straight away we can see we've got a lot of extra features back here. Before we actually install the demo data, I'm going to install one more plugin. This is optional really, it's just WooCommerce. The theme itself is compatible with it. So if you want to make use of all of the demo data, we can grab all of that now. Once you install WooCommerce, you will be asked to go through the setup screen. We'll skip that for now. Okay, so far then we've installed the theme, we've installed all of the plugins including WooCommerce. So we've got everything set up ready to actually grab the demo data. Now to do this, it's very straightforward. We simply go to the theme options, which is handled by Appearance and Customize. And within there, at the very top, you'll see the demo data section here. And basically we've got a little bit of blurb just telling us that the process can take a little while. I won't leave the recording go as well because it really can take a few minutes, but the idea is once you've installed everything that we have so far in this video, you can hit import and everything will be grabbed from our demo server and installed for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little button here. And you can see we've got a pop-up which is just asking us to confirm we've installed all the plugins, which we have. If you're following along this video and you haven't yet done so, then please skip back and install everything first. The process will fail if you haven't done that. We're good to go, so I'm going to hit OK and well, pause the recording while the import takes place. Back in a moment. Okay, we can see the demo data has finished. We've got a little dialog that's popped up telling us it is done, so we will close that and exit the options. And before we go any further, let's refresh the site and see what's going on. Okay, so we can see we've got a lot more content there now, and the blog post is showing. Of course, this isn't one of the home pages from the demo. This is just acting as a general blog at the moment. So we're going to go in and change the home page and menu, and then we're done. Okay, so back in the admin area, we want to set a home page. So we go to Settings and Reading. And here you'll see it's currently set to show the latest posts, which is kind of default WordPress behavior. We don't want that. We want to select a static page instead. So to begin with, we'll choose one of the home pages. We'll go with Home Layout 1, and you must set a blog page here as well. You simply have to. So we provide one here. Just set that as your blog page and hit Save. And as we provide a demo menu as well, we'll go to Appearance and Menus, which is where the menus are handled in WordPress. And I like to do it under Manage Locations. We can assign the menu we give you to the area, and well, that should be it. If we just refresh the site one more time, there we go. We can see we've got a menu and everything in place. We've got all of the content. Let me just scroll back up. Now we can see we've got a big red error message here telling us that the slider isn't found. Basically what this means, the demo data uses Revolution Slider. Revolution Slider is imported separately to the demo data, so we won't cover it in this video. We'll cover it next, but you need to import the Revolution Slider data separately. So these are not to worry about. You will see this initially, the red mark I'm highlighting here. It will go away as soon as you've actually imported the demo data, sorry, the demo sliders provided. So for now, we've got everything pretty much set up just like the demo. We'll continue everything in our next video. If you have been following along and run into any problems, then come and see me over at support. I'll be happy to help.